Hello, welcome back to the unboxings and buildings of Legos and knockoff Legos. It is not knockoff Legos today, because if you remember in my last video, which I literally just recorded, I had to give up on Mr. Krabs because it was just getting too much for me and my headspace was going just a little bit too far. So like I said in the last one, I'll get some people together and we'll rebuild it, and we'll try and get other people to help, and if they want to be on camera as well, I'll ask a few friends, see what they feel. But today, because I want to build something, and I want to give you guys a completed build so you guys can go, wow, look, he built something. We're gonna crack at this Lego train I got for only £25. It's a 40 years one. It looks simpler, it's got bigger pieces. I should be able to understand it more, especially as the first one is building a man. But yeah, so let's give a crack at this one. So it's a train, £25, bargain, right? There's going to be some rustlings of bags and things. And just build them. Earphones off. Hear that? That's the sound of big pieces. Again, still working with the windowsill. I will move the camera in just a moment, just while I make my workplace. Oh, that didn't really go very far. I'll put that there. Don't worry, I do tidy up. And then we'll build over here. So, put them there. So we'll be careful of the radiator. And yes, so it's really weird. It's a book like that, but it's still like this, you know? I feel like I'm going to sneeze in a minute, so very sorry for that one. Alright, I'm going to get back down to kneeling. So we're this height. Oh, we could do it like this, actually. Right. So the first one is my man. Actually, now I can't see my pieces. Problem with the better one, the little ones, I can see all the pieces. Now I'm a bit like, so we shall try. Right. Legs. A classic that we've not seen for a while. Well, you will see. You'll see him in a moment because we just put his head on, his body on. Boop. And what we haven't seen for a while is a classic yellow head. And apparently he's got a hat somewhere, which I might have to stand up again now. Oh no, the cloud has gone in. The cloud has gone in, the sun has gone in, so might not even be able to see it all. Hatman, where is his Hatman gone? Oh, I have to stand up again. Right. Have a flamingo, or what? A pig. It's a kangaroo, I know, but the girlfriend thought it was a pig. Where's the hat gone? Where's his hat? In Dipsy's land, it's hat. There it is. Choo-choo. Mother truckers. He's going to go over here with Squidward. Right. I'm going to move the camera now because that's not easy. So good. If you didn't know what that was a Lego. So, oh, man is here. Right, so 2 squares. I need a black one. Oh, I think that's too short. I need a long thin one, that one. So there you go, that's over here, and that goes on there, there. Haha, right. Need 2 more. Stay. That one and that one, I'm guessing, go on the ends. Oh, more lining ups. And do they need them ones, I think? Yes, they do. That goes on. What is wrong with me? Don't answer that. A lot. Where's the other piece gone? That one, my lovely. Also realise a window sill doesn't give you much space, but we shall make do. Oh no, there's a sticker. I'm not very good with stickers. That one, I think. Put that one there. That one there. Nope, that's one here. I need one more long fat piece there, and I've got to get a sticker which is just here, and it says steam engine, but it's shiny. Ooh. Right, let's see what I can do here. Oh, pick that up, I think. That's not right. Oh, I hate stickers. Why do we have to deal with stickers? That is the best I'm going to get it. So that will now go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 here. Yes. Yes. Right, stickers can go here. All right, I need 4 grey of those. 1, 2, 3, and where is the last one? Hello? I don't know why I'm whispering. Sorry, I'm really quiet today. As you saw in the last video, I opened up about, not about anything to be honest, but just, yeah, been a bit of a weird few days. I'm just probably overtired. I can't find copies. There's a lot of squarey grey ones. If you guys, right, found it. Right, so that needs to go here, and here, and here, and here. And I need 2 of the little ones. That one, and that one, and that one will go just above here. Come on, thank you. And here. Love this stuff. Right, next page. 4 little black squares. There's 1. There's 2. Lovely bit of Lego. It's all about treasure hunting as well. Because you've got to pour it all out, unless you organise them like some people do, but where's the fun in that? Then you have to look for everything. But where up there? 3 and 4. Where is 4? If you guys can see 4, shout out. Obviously I won't see it or hear it, because also you can't really shout out on YouTube. Comment, say I saw it before you saw it. Say that. And then there and there, but obviously, yeah, but obviously, no. So I need one of these grey piece there, one of those, 3 of these. Luckily 2 are together. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, I need 4 clear ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I just need 1 more of the silvery one. Is that it? No, that was black. Where is it? Do a bit of leaning. I'm going to get some elbow. Oh, there it is. It's on its side. Didn't see it. Alright, so this square will go in here. Yep. Two clear ones go next to those. So yeah, as I was saying in the last one, headspace is just not great, but it's good to share. So I'm going to share with you lot. Always talk. Talk when you're not great. My girlfriend's going to have a right go at me because I'll be like, why didn't you share it with me and just on YouTube? Because I didn't feel that until I did on me. So, funny old brains, isn't it? So yeah, make sure you share. Always share. Even if it's hard, just go down the pub, have a drink, blurt it out. I'll do that quite regularly actually. It's good for the soul. It goes there, and it goes there. So far, we've got this piece. And then we need, oh my god, it's getting dark in here, isn't it? I need to put a light on, I believe. Apparently, we're expecting snow this weekend, or this week, next weekend. So yeah, should be interesting. Not a fan of the snow, don't know about you lot. It's cold, obviously, but I don't like it. And normally it means I can't get back to work. Oh, what's we on now? Yeah, number 10. So, a 4-piece black one, that one, and a thing, that one. So I need 2 of those, which I have. Hurrah! And they need to go on here, looking like a little mouse droid from Star Wars. If you like Star Wars, you'll know what that is. If you don't, Google it. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I need another 4-piecer. There we go. Now we're cracking on. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Well, not feeling good, but with the Lego side of things, I'm feeling better. Right, I need that great. Need that one. There it goes. I need 2 of those. So 1. I need 1 of those. I need 2 of those. But that wasn't the piece I was looking for, but it's a piece I need. And that one. Yeah, did you hear about the drummer that had twins? Named them Anna 1, Anna 2. There you go. I'm sorry. I'm here all week, but not on YouTube, because I have work. But I am technically always here on YouTube. Just open me up. Not open me up, but open YouTube up, and I will be there. I'm just going to turn a light on, because it's got dark. No. That light apparently did nothing. Let me see if the lamp works. How do you turn this lamp on? Oh. That. In the face. Right. I believe I got it all. So that one, and then goes here. What a lovely lamp that is. You are joining us from room 11. Everyone always says at work, oh, my house must be like a castle or a hotel. The reason why we call it room 11 is because there's a hostel down the road for our local steam railway. And it's got 10 rooms. And because we're lovely, caring people, we let some stay here. So if all 10 rooms are booked up, they're allowed in. They come into room 11. And we've also got another spare room, which isn't as nice, but we call that room 12. So we've got 11 and 12. So when I talk about it to friends and stuff, they go, oh yeah, that's in room 11. They go, you live in a castle? But I suppose everyone's house is their castle. So, yes, I do live in a castle. My castle. And we have another sticker here, which is also not very straight, but it will do. It's shiny. Ooh, shiny. Come and have a shiny. A shiny show from my youth. I don't know if anyone remembers that. Probably not. Where's that going then? Oh, it's going in here. Lovely. So there is our base. Now we are building the steam engine piece. Oh, doing some axles. So I need 3 of these. So yeah, as I said, we live close to a steam railway. So that is rather fun. Oh, I need a wheel. Wheel. It's called the Welshbourne Lumber Light Railway. It's great fun. Come and visit and ask for the guy called Stu. And if I'm not working, I'll be there. So come and visit. It's good fun. 2'6" gauge, if anyone's interested in trains. 8 miles. Beautiful steam railway. Since 1901, I believe. But yeah, volunteered. We moved up here in 2007 from walking distance at Gatwick Airport. So I'm a bloody southerner. That's me, a bloody southerner. But not anymore. I like to consider myself as Welsh, because it's pretty up here, and I've lived here longer than I have done in England. So I believe that counts as me being a Welshman. Oh no, it's all falling apart. Because that one goes there too. Right. And then that one. But yeah, so growing up most of my life in Wales, could never see myself leaving it now. It's everything to me. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh no. Ow. Oh. If you heard that, that was my knee. So, oh no. No, oh, just like my life, it's fallen to pieces. It's not really, I always use that reference. Right, is it going to be another wheel? Yes, let's get my wheels on. Why have you done that? No, how about if I sort all the wheels and then I'll figure out that bit afterwards. And then this one, and this one here. Yeah. Ooh, oh, I thought it fell in the radiator then. Right. But yeah, there we go. Right, too far. Too far. There we go. We've got some motion. Not in the ocean, but we have some motion. Right then. How long are we going? 20 minutes, see? We're part way through it, whereas in the last videos, 20 minutes means, you know, we're still panicking and also having a breakdown. But we're all good. All good. Right, so this one, does that just sit on it? It says it just sits. Why are you not just sitting? There we go. Train. So now we build the chassis. The chassis. So we need this piece, and then we need this piece. Oh, look how much fun I'm having again. Oh, I told you I needed to build something. I'm glad I've got proper Lego to do that. Not saying that the others is bad, just saying sometimes just need a change. Just need to mix it up a bit. And hopefully with losing my marbles in the last one, means that I can then incorporate some friends into it and we can just have a jolly good chuckle while we try and build it. So what's going on there? So we need 2 of these long pieces. One, I need to, oh, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, and so 4, that is 4. 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 of those. So turn it upside down, have one of these, put it on the end, turn it upside down, put it on this end, put one of these through the outside, and do it again. Oh, don't do that though. Don't do that. Don't rush things. Take it slow. Watch your neck go into spasm. Tell you what we're excited for. On the 11th, our next door neighbour's going to be on telly. Yes. If you've ever seen Stacey Solomon's Salt Knife Out. Yes. My next door neighbour's on it. So we're looking forward to that. My sister gave some cakes, so whether they add that into the show, we'll find out. And if you do, then you might see me do this. Hang on. Ooh. Because when she filmed, I was like, oh, are they doing it? So, yes, rather interesting. So that's going on there. Oh, we're making the buffers. There we go. This is, for a train nerd, this is actually rather exciting. So we need one of those, one, and, oh, not that piece. Ah, hidden. 2 of those, one of those, another one of those, and yellow piece, 2 of those, oop, and oop, yellow, and then 1, and that's a sound for you if you're listening in earphones. Oh no, I was going to say and 2, but that's the one I just picked up. Oh, there it is. 2. I love this stuff. Right, this one will go here. So 23 minutes. So hopefully a bit more exciting, a bit more less depressing than the last one. But no, if you're still here, thank you for sticking with me. I literally just started these just as a bit of a piss take, and I'm still here, so thank you. All I can say is thank you. Otherwise, it's just me doing it to myself. Not doing it to myself, that's a bit weird. And that is going here as the front of the engine. There we go. Has it got a cow catcher? No. So a cow catcher is what I tend to call a snowplow at the front. I think originally they were called cow catchers because if a cow was in the way, well, catch it is pretty much not what it would do. It would say, goodbye, cow. It would move it. Oh, funny. Oh, that's not a big need. No, is it? But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. but I could be right. There's a song in there, but I ain't gonna sing for you. That's not what this show is about. Show. It's not even a show, is it really? Right, so these will go on the front. And on you go. Tally here. There we go. Tell you what, people in Lego and building places where they have the ideas to build this and what goes where always surprises me, because I wish I had that sort of ideas. But I don't. Right, black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And 2 of the stairs. So this piece will be going here. I need 4 of the 3 pieces. That's 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Yes, that's right. So let's go up there, like so. Boop. Oh, right then. 1, 2. Have a shake. And then I need 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3, and 1, and 2. Right, so that one, and that one, and then that one back on top. Oh, building. This one, and this one, and that one back on top. And then that goes up there, that goes there, and they go here. Oh, we got more stickers. Oh, not a fan of the stickers. That one and that one. And this one and oh, where is it? There. Oh. Which one's going on here? The 7810 with a symbol I've not seen, because this is probably well, oh, it's built in what, Sweden? I'm not sure. Where's Lego made? Sweden? Switzerland? I know it's not. Stockholm. Wherever that is. Does it sound the box? Denmark. Somehow that doesn't ring right for me, but oh, if it is Denmark, yeah, it could be. Oh, that was almost good, that one. It could be the reason, but I've not seen this logo before, so bear with. I'll show you now. And then if you know, hang on. Oh no. This logo. Anybody know what this logo means? Comment down below and let me know, because I don't. And I'd love to know. That one's a bit more wobbly. Not a fan of that one. But it's on there. Oh well, I can go on the back. I can go over there. Where's that one gone? Alright. So I need 2 of them. 2 of the yellows. 2 of these red things. And 2 of those. There you go. Because it's Lego, I know exactly what pieces I'm needing straight away, which is great, which is good to know. That goes in. lights, which some steam engines don't. They don't really have lights on them like electric lights. They'd have like a Bardic lamp. Now, if anyone knows what a Bardic lamp is, well done. But a Bardic lamp is something. It's sort of like that shape, really. And then inside you'd like a little lamp or a little torch, and you could turn the knob so it'd have white, red, green, so use it as signals. So, and that's how they would do it back in ye old days. Because, well, I'm gonna start needing it now because one, my neck hurts, and two, I can see all the pieces. I'll bring my instructions down. There we go. I can see. Hello, guys. So yeah, so the Bardic lamp would have a little knob on the top, and you could turn it from white, red, and green. So green go, red stop, white. Well, looking really. It's in the dark, and then they'd move it in all the different hand signals, and well, you'd be able to see where you're going, really. Yeah, so in a couple of weeks, for the first week in March, it'll be my, not the whole week in March, but on the 6th of March, will be my 30th birthday. And it's very exciting, as you can tell by the tone of my voice. I'm so keen, but we are going to York, me and my girlfriend. I can't find the other piece now. Bear with, I'll carry on my story. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh, I'll build for now and then I'll carry on the story. So yeah, so we're going to York, and if anyone knows what's in York, is the National Railway Museum. So for my birthday, my girlfriend said you could do anything you want. Oh, was she a fool in asking that question? Because we're going to go to the Railway Museum. Where's that piece? So I'm gonna talk her head off of all the little railways and stuff. Oh, it's hidden behind that tunnel. So yeah, if you guys want to come to the Railway Museum on the 6th of March, do come and surprise me and actually say hello, because I probably won't know who you are, unless I do know who you are, and I'll say hello because I know you. But yeah, so it'll be fun. That'll be a good day out. We're going for the whole week, well, Monday to Friday. So I'm gonna go to the Shambles, the Minster. I've got this little like scavenger hunt book I found online, so we're gonna do that. It stops off at 4 pubs. Winner. So that'll be interesting. It's supposed to take 3 hours. I have a feeling it might be longer. We've also booked in for some golf, mini golf, not proper golf, because well, we can't do that. More stickers, shiny stickers. We got some. It's called, I think, Beyond the Wand. I think it was Beyond the Wand. Shout out if you watch this. Doubt it. Basically, it's mini golf, and they had a couples offer, which I think you can't really get wrong with it. It's 2 people. I think it was £30. Both get a drink, and you get £20 off, or it's like £10 or £20 off in their shop. Easy. Best offer we've ever seen, so we thought we'd go with that. It's looking promising now, a bit like a train. Just put the dials in. That one and that one. And then you go here. Yeah, so that's that. We're rather looking forward to it, to be honest. Should be fun. I had booked Monday to Saturday off on holiday, and work stopped me yesterday. I went, oh, Stu, Your week off in March, I was like, oh, I can't say I can't do it because I'm going away. I went, do you want the Sunday off? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. All right, we got loads of pieces in this one. So we need one of these. That one. Don't need that. Move it away, move it away. I need this one. That also has this one. A red square. Oh, what's that one? Black thing with a hole. Black thing with a hole. Yeah, I say I'm not from the south, but you can sometimes hear it. And that one. Yellow one, which is here. And a black slab. Black slab. Right, so we got this. And then I need that. That goes on there. Sorry, I'm building it down here now. But you'll see it's very soon. But yeah, so £25 for this was an absolute steal. I didn't steal it. It was a bargain. That's like, I don't like people when they say, oh, that's sick. To me, that sounds disgusting. You don't see sick, like vomit, and go, oh, sick, that was cool. Nobody ever does. So, yes. Anyways. Also, don't worry about me going to hospital tomorrow. It's only a blood test. I'll go all the way to Birmingham for a blood test. But hopefully I might cheekily pop into the Lego shop on the way home and pick myself up something. Because I got paid today. And as I've got no one going with me, not saying I need someone to go with me, but the girlfriend likes to come along and she normally stands there and goes, you don't need that. No. You have a limit. Be good, we got a holiday coming. But I don't have it this time. So it might be a case of, oh look, I've just spent £300 on a Lego set. Oh, that savings I saved for the holiday. Bought a Lego set. Obviously I won't. Go buy Lego on holiday. Or train stuff. Mild concentration there, if you did see. Where's that piece I've been building on? Ah, there. Oh no, it broke off. Oh no. Oh, that's my Welsh coming out. Oh no. I'd say I do accents, but I can't. Not to save my life. Right then, so that one goes on there. And that goes on there. See, can't do them. Can't do them. Right. Oh my god, Rocky. Oh my god. Stay. And that's going on down there. Yeah. Why? Oh, okay. It is going on like that. So I need this one and these two. Is it them two? I don't think it is. That one. That one. No. No. So it's, oh, right. So I need 2 of those, 4 of those. 2 of those, 4 of those. Oh, they look very similar. Right. So the 3 ones, where are you going? There? Yes. I'm going to say yes. So those are 3 of these ones. And then the rest of them go across to make the boiler. Now it's called a boiler because if you don't know about steam engines, they boil water to make steam. And the steam pushes the pistons. And the pistons make it go. A good book, bear with. Oh. Yes. This. You want to learn about trains and stuff. This is not, by the way, a paid advertisement. Christopher Vine, he does book He does many book on. It's a nice little story. Hang on. Storybook. And somewhere. Where is it? There we go. So it does how a train works. That's how I know all my stuff, see, because of this book. That's a bit about trains. How to use a spirit level, how setting out track levels. Peter's Railway. Do check them out. Check it out. It's not in them, but there's a story. There's a 5 big books. He does little books as well, little story, bedtime stories. But pick this up. It's probably eBay or Amazon or something. Very, very good book. Mr. Waterman, Pete Waterman, has, you know, commented on it. I met him once. He signed it. I don't know if he signed this one. No, but do. They're very, very good. We have them. It's not an advertisement, by the way. It's just if you want to learn about trains. This, honestly, and you don't want to go, oh my god, it's so boring. No one ever understands anything. This book, this series of book, Peter's Railway, simple. I'm a simple guy. These are simple books. Read them. Anyways, back to the kneeling, back to the building. So yeah, as you can see from the last video, my mind just perked up a little bit because I was talking about trains. Right, that one. And then I need 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. And where are they going? That is going up here. And then these ones are going over there. There. And here, because who wants to use the there again? I'm a funny guy. I'm a mushroom. That one. That one. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, one of my favourite things to do with Lego is when you have little window pieces like this, and it will just slide in here, and in theory, it will make a nice little click sound. Alright, and a good thing for you guys, if you didn't like that, well, bear with, we've got 3 more to do. And then this one goes in here now. Also, after my birthday, you'll notice a little more. My hair's a bit long, I know. I'm a bit shaggy. It's because I'm trying to wait till my haircut. So I've got 28th of Feb haircut booked because I want to look good. Well, as good as I can. Yes. Now, only one more, so look forward to this one, guys. It's the last. The hair. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, typical. Where's the last one? Oh, ready? Oh, it's a little like mini snap there as well. Where are you going? Right, for Viva going here. Where's that one? There it is. I made a mistake somewhere. Don't do it on top. No. What does that need? No. 2 pieces. Then once. Alright. Bear with. We went wrong because it wasn't sitting flush. No, come on. In you go. In you go. There we go. Right, that's better. And there you go on there. Oop. cooking on gas. That one goes there. That window goes here. And then there you go on there. And just like that. Just like that. Train comes around. Technically, the locomotive comes around because oh, that sticker's really bugging me now. Oh well, not much I can do about it. Oh well. Because it's only a train if it's connected to something. Oh. You know what's funny is I'm doing it at the front of my house and my neighbours have just seen me kneeling down at my windowsill. They probably think, what a loony. Oh, if only they knew. Alright, 4 of those, got them. 1 flat piece, that's that one. And that piece there. So that. Another hair. And then this one I need that piece on here. And our final sticker. Well, the neighbour's going to notice me kneeling, staring out of my window. Doesn't look weird at all. They have not noticed me. If they have, they chose to ignore the crazy person kneeling on his floor, talking randomly to nothing. It's okay. They know I'm strange. Not in a weird way, just... Anyways, right, turn that back over. Right, we've now built the thing. Is that right? Yes. Got all. Okay, down. Sure. There we go. Currently, if you're a fan of the Welsh Wonderland Light Railway, it looks like Chattenden, which is actually one of our diesels. But we don't want it to be a diesel. We want it to be a steam engine. So we now have to just put these little bits on here, which will make the, not the chimneys, the whistles. And now we are finally building our chimney. So then it's going to get one there like this. And then on here like this. And just there like so. Coming to the final bits now. Oh, when I say the final bits, we're at the end, guys. So that can go on there. We'll move our spare pieces away. Now we get to put him on here. That's not right at all. Oh no. Why is that not going right? There we go. There we go. One train and one driver. There we go. I can build stuff. So, very enjoyable build. Much better than the last one. Oh. But again, we'll build that with people. Will stop me from going insane. But there we go. I'd say our first proper Lego, but we had the advent calendars, so welcome to this. Welcome. We're at the end. It's 50 minutes. Didn't realise how long. It just flies by. But yeah, so lovely little build. Thought it was going to be longer. I was just going to build it myself, but yeah, I'm glad we built this together. I'm not insane. But yeah. Choo choo. Add in the sweary bits for yourself. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Squidward's impressed. You can go here, not staring off. You can look at it. Where is he? Oh. Yeah, so a bit better now. Stickers are probably some of the best I've done. Let's hope I maybe not pick up a Lego set. Obviously we want to, because content. But yes. I'm gonna go watch a film now, I think. I've been looking at The Founder, I think it's called. I don't know, it's about McDonald's starting. It's been all over my YouTube, so I saw it was on Netflix. So I'm gonna watch it. Yeah. So yeah, do check out Welsh Wonderland Light Railway. We've got loads of offers on, especially if you come on the 13th and 14th of June. There's a beer festival run by a guy that also does music on the side instead of just Lego videos. I know who that could be. But yeah, don't forget to like. I forgot to even do this in the last video. That's how messed up I was. Don't forget to like, which is, I believe, down there. I think. Subscribe. And ding that bell. I haven't done that for a while. I don't think I even did that in the last video, the proper video I did, the Squidward one. What is going wrong with me? Well, there's a question and a half opening up the old, I was going to say treasure chest, but I can't remember what the actual saying is. But yeah, no, welcome, thank you, welcome, thank you. We'll see you again soon. We'll figure out what we're doing with the SpongeBob ones. I do have another one from Jack. Obviously we got that bird to build from Jack, which is also tiny pieces, but we also got a bigger one, which is Kermit the Frog, so we might build that at some point, because I'm judging by this, bigger pieces is the way to go without me going insane. So I might do a little build party of the rest of the little ones, get them all built in, check in on them, just go, ooh, and get them to build it for me, because why not? I'll supply the alcohol. But yeah, thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Yes. See what we get from Lego Store tomorrow. But yeah, don't forget Peter's Railway if you want to learn anything about steam railways in the simple terms. Very good, especially if you've got kids. Kira. Talk to you, Kira. He needs to learn it. Or she. He. I think it's a he. I don't know. My friends, they told me about their baby. And I've forgotten. Boy, I think. Anyways, he or she. Railways are for everybody. They need to learn about trains. Peter's Railway is the best way to go. And then also you'll learn in time with it. Or just talk to me, because I like trains. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Enjoy. See you at Beer Fest. Obviously I'll be back before then, because that's June. But yes. Bye. Thank you for joining me again. I really crap at these sign-offs sometimes, just ramble at this point. But yeah, bye. Ding, 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 ding. Notifications.